So essay and all I have done this.
And I cannot even imagine.
Media. So Srushti's preparation is different. I would suggest that.
Yeah, I think there is more avenues to be distracted in social media when you're really preparing for something, when you're on to something. So I don't know. I think it's a very personal call, but my personal suggestion would be to limit your social interactions to your close group and not to let yourself get distracted and all of this into whatever happens on social media. It's a very important time of your life and it's very important that each and every moment आप बहुत अच्छे से focus करके कर रहे हो पढ़ाई. That's my thing.
Right. Ma'am, I would like to ask you, when must a person start going for mock papers for prelims? Like when in preparation from the first day or after preparing for the course syllabus, completing the syllabus?
Yeah. See, tests and mock tests have paid off really well for me. And I'll also share like when reading. So, एक बार आप जब subject, when you have read the subject once, when you have done the basic books, when you've studied the reference books, and you have a basic idea of what kind of questions can be asked. Now that is the correct time to give mock tests. And it will be better if you are giving mock tests say every 15 days or every week. As and when the exam comes closer, then the frequency of the tests can be improved, can be increased. You can give tests every 3 to 4 days like that. Giving mock test is very important. Timing can be based on how well you are prepared. But also, even till the last minute when you are giving mains अंदर जा रहे हो या prelims देने अंदर जा रहे हो, there are a lot of things and subjects which you would not have covered. So ऐसा भी नहीं है कि you wait for the last end when you feel कि I'm fully prepared now, I'm ready to give test. वो time कभी नहीं आने वाला है. So once you have given the reading, you should start writing tests.
Okay. Now, sir, I would like to talk about mains answer writing. काफी सारे क्या actually मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि mostly aspirants बहुत ज़्यादा डरते हैं. They're really scared of starting this answer writing process. They do not know when to start it, and sometimes they're not confident or they're not consistent with it. So, when did you start answer writing and how to do it? Can you tell something about it?
So answer writing, I would suggest everybody to start right from the first day itself. So जैसे कि like if you have started your preparation and the most of the questions now which are being asked or which are being given in any mock test, so are based on general aspects or general studies which will be going on in and around you. So first day you will write the worst possible answer you can. So that is true for everybody. That was true for me. So that is true for everybody. So no matter when you start, the first day answer will be the worst. You keep it yourself with yourself, keep it aside. So and you go on writing every day, every single day, at least 2 questions every single day. So like you will spend 10 to 15 minutes per question and half an hour for 2 questions. So go on writing 2 questions every single day, right from the first day of your preparation. So trust me, if you compare your first day answer with the answer which you are writing after the 100th day or maybe 150th day, so you will see the difference. You will get the confidence ki what you are doing. So how well you have improved. Even if you are writing 3-4 lines on the first day, it is good enough. But starting is very very important when it comes to answer writing because you will always tend to postpone this. So you like I'll start after 1 month, I'll start after 2 months, I'll start after first reading or one revision. So or I'll start after prelims. So you should never do that. So starting is the vital thing when it comes to answer writing. So coming to me, I started answer writing maybe like 6 or 7 months before prelims. So that's when I wrote my first answer. So that's when I wrote my first essay. So then I was regular when it comes to answer writing. So given the optional which I had, medical science, so given the amount of time which it requires to prepare, so out of 3.5 months out of 100 days which we get for between prelims and mains, so maybe 60 to 70 days minimum we have to spend on medical science. So we will get at least at max 25 to 30 days for general studies. So answer writing was the crux of my preparation when it comes to mains. So I started 6 to 7 months before prelims. So and it has definitely helped me given the very limited time which I spent on general studies.
You too, ma'am, started answer writing from like day one of your preparation, or you did after prelims?
No. I think after prelims is a deadly time to leave answer writing too. Uh, when you are studying the subject, say a year before, when you started reading the subject, you've been through the NCRTs, you can right away start answer writing. You do not have to delay to the last minute. Answer writing is a skill, so it needs time and practice. You cannot expect yourself कि I will read the best material on this and then I will write the best answer. It does not work like that. You have to write more, see what mistakes you're doing, whether or not you are including the required arguments, whether or not आप सही तरीके से आंसर को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो, सही तरीके से कंक्लूड कर रहे हो. That will come with time. So and that will come with practice. So ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जितना आप आंसर्स प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, उससे you will be able to improve on your own also. So don't wait for the last day or for the prelims especially. Start answer writing while you're preparing integrated जो आप prepare कर रहे हैं mains prelims पहले साल से, उसी time आप answer writing शुरू कर सकते हैं.
Okay. So, ma'am, ये answer writing with GS1, GS2, GS3 will be subject based only. Like people are already preparing for those subjects and then they have to write these answers. But what about GS4? How to practice that? How to check themselves whether they are going like on the right way or not? How do you prepare GS4 for answer writing?
GS4 is very tricky because say अगर आप दो पार्ट में पेपर को देखोगे तो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज अबाउट the keywords, the quotes. Nowadays they are giving quotes and they ask you to elaborate on that. It requires, I think it requires a lot of reading, but crisp note making. So जो भी keywords होते हैं, you have empathy, you have dedication and integrity. All of these keywords are mentioned in the syllabus. Prepare your notes well on it. Read the whatever quotations you find and try to write on your own. Practice sort of really helps on that. And when it comes to the second part of the paper, which is case studies, uspe newspaper reading and all of these instances, some government reports which you will read, those will help you because case studies are ultimately reality things that they've put in front of you. So in order to develop options, in order to write a good answer for that, you need the usual reading will help you out. And again, there was one book which was about case studies. I have mentioned it in my book list. I don't remember the author only. So that I referred for case studies. And for the first part of the paper, I prepared my own notes and I relied on that.